Hi, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy from the Wondermill WonderMix company with another helpful hint of what to do with your slicer shredder. I love my WonderMix and I absolutely love the slicer shredder. And I love foods that taste amazing. And one of my favorite foods I like to make is they call it a tapenade, or a mixture of olives and onions and peppers. And it's what I do. I just buy the jars of them like this and just drain them. And then I mix them all together and I run them through the large grater attachment for your slicer shredder. And you get this wonderful, beautiful olive, onion, red pepper. It's kind of a relish. And then I just put a splash of balsamic vinegar on there, a little bit of olive oil. And we ground earlier on our grain mill attachment, we put peppercorns and thyme and salt and coriander together. We're going to sprinkle some of that on there. And we're going to stir this up, and we have this beautiful olive relish. Now, what do you do with an olive relish? Oh my goodness, what don't you do with it? It's great on sandwiches, but my very favorite, and everyone I've done this with absolutely love it, is for a pizza topping. I just put on my pizza dough, of course, pizza dough that I made in my WonderMix, and then you spread it out on there, a little bit of cheese, and put it in the oven, and you have this beautiful flavor. I love this stuff. It's just flavorful. Oh. And if you love olives, you're going to love it. It's great. This is Chef Brad with more helpful hints on what you can do with all those wonderful attachments for your WonderMix.